Hello, this is James Jones from the Net Results. You may have remembered that a couple of months ago we came out with a new software product called Image Easy, and we've just added a bunch of new features to it that I'd like to show you so you can grab this before we increase the price of it. Now, let me just go through an example of what Image Easy does. Image Easy makes it really easy for you to find pictures for your Kindle books or pictures for pretty much anything that you need pictures for. So let's just say that we're doing a Kindle book about, let's just say, cats. So let's find some nice cat pictures. All right, all you do is type in cat and click search. And notice we're going to be searching Wikipedia or Wikimedia and Flickr. And you can unselect these if you'd like, but I suggest you just leave them both checked just like that. And click cat or click search. And there you go. And it really is that fast. So it's found some nice pictures here of cats. All right. Now, depending on what I want to use this for, I want to go through and select my pictures. So let's say that we want to find a nice one for the cover for a Kindle book. So when I'm looking for cover images, I want to find something that is more like this one here is more horizontal, sort of a landscape. And I want to find something that's portrait looking. And you'll see what I'm like this one right here, but that's not really the type of image I'm looking for. Notice how that's a portrait style. There's one that's portrait style. Oh, I like this one. This one right here. Or this one. Well, that one, it's kind of cut off on one side, so I don't want to use that one. Let's go back to search. This one, that one looks kind of mean. But I like this one right here. That's kind of cute looking there. Yeah, that one is, that's a nice looking image. Now, you can also use landscape for your covers, but I just prefer using portrait because it just shows up much better. All right, so let's take this picture. I don't really need to do anything to it, but I could, if I want to, I could crop it. Let's say we wanted to do, just get the head of the cat. We could actually come down here to crop and just crop it out like this. And then click on the crop button down here, and that would crop it out. I don't want to do that, so let's go ahead and just reset it. All right, puts it back the way it was. All right, now we want to make sure that this image is the default Kindle size. So let's just click on default Kindle size for a cover and click scale. And there we go, and it's going to scale it for us. Notice it's really big now, but that's the way, that's the format that the Kindle likes. All right, so now let's go ahead and create an ebook cover. So we got our image, so let's click here, and now we can create a cover with our title and our author name. So I want my title and author name to appear on the image itself. I don't want it to appear like up here. So we could actually go here and change the background and make the background look more closer to the color of the picture, like maybe like that. But I'm going to do it like this behind so that my text shows up right on the image. Let me show you what I mean. What are we going to call this book? I got an idea. How about it's a book of, say, quotes, cat quotes. Let's call it you cat be serious. All right, so we're gonna call it you cat be serious, and I think the black is probably gonna look pretty good there. We could go up here and change the color of it if we wanted, but I think black is probably maybe red. That looks pretty good, sort of a violet. Okay, and we can put the author down here. We can also make this a little bigger. I want to make it as big as possible. Let's make it 115. There we go. Okay, and the author, let's say the author's name is Felix Fester. All right, and if you notice, that's going to show up right down here, and it's in black, so let's make it the same color. Gotta use something like that. And we can actually position this and move it down here and to the right a little bit. Alrighty. And there we go. Now we could open this up. It's just the camera is not big enough to show you. I could open it up fully, but I'd have to change the size of the camera, so let's not do that. Let's just go ahead and see what it looks like. I'm going to click on preview. And there we go. I mean, that looks pretty darn good. One thing I do notice here, we automatically put, if there is an attribute to the picture, we automatically put that in there. So that's kind of bleeding into the name, so we're going to have to change this a little bit. So let's just bring that up more. There we go. Preview. There we go. And when this is on Kindle, people won't be able to see that anyway. But when you're using a picture that you get from Flickr or Wikimedia, sometimes you have to put the author, the name of the author on the picture. And so we automatically just go ahead and do that for you. All right, now click on Save Cover. And another cool thing it does automatically for you, if I can move this down and show you, it saves the image as the title. So you can easily see which one it is. All right, and click Save. Okay, let's go back to the search. I'm going to show you some other things too. Let's say that you were doing a book with a bunch of pictures. You could go through here and save all your pictures. Like this was a nice picture of a cat. Just save this one, and it brings it up right here. And notice that right down here, it automatically puts the person who you have to attribute the image to. So if there's an attribution required, it's going to save the file name as that attribution. So Kevin Dooley from Flickr. So when you put that book in there, you might want to put his name underneath the image. That's totally up to you, but that's generally the generally accepted method to attribute the picture to the person who created it. All right, so we just click Save, and we can go through here and save any of these we wanted. The arrow here takes you out to the place where the image is, like right here. It's on Flickr, so you can see it's on Flickr, and there's Kevin Dooley. Okay, all the searches that you do are saved right here. So just click on Saved Searches, and you can see them all right here. And like here's one I did on Tiger, and it shows that it was done on Friday, August 3rd at the time, and the source I searched Wikimedia and Flickr. And so if we just double click on it, it redoes this search, and there's all our images. All the images that ImageEasy brings back are royalty free. Of course, as we mentioned before, some of them you have to attribute to the creator of the image. Thank you for watching this video. The regular price of ImageEasy is $47. However, if you pick it up today, you can get it for only $24.99. So go ahead and click on the Buy Now button down below and place your order, and you'll be able to download ImageEasy in just a few seconds. As with all our software, ImageEasy is compatible with Mac and PC. You get lifetime free updates, and you get lifetime support. So go ahead and grab it now before the price goes up. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend. Goodbye.